Most businesses copy competitor. I don't copy. I extract their winning strategies, then I build my own system. Now in this video, I'm gonna teach you how I scale 3 of my client $1 million businesses using this framework. Now first we have offer. I'm gonna teach you how I understand their offer. Now second we have angle, then channel, which platform they are using, how are they getting traffic. Now fourth we have proof, then funnel, then follow up. Now first we have offer. We need to understand what our competitor is offering, what pain point they are triggering their audience. We need to understand our audience pain point, their weaknesses, their desire and their goal. Then we have to make an offer people feel stupid to refuse. Now second we have angle. So let's say your competitor is running any business, any industry. We need to understand what offer they are building, what offer they are giving to their audience, if they are offering any guarantee, any risk reversal guarantee, or if they are targeting any pain point. If the your competitor is mentioning any time, let's say this is an offer, I will rank your website on the top of search engine in 6 to 12 months without spending amount on backlinks. And if we don't, we will work for next 6 months for you for free. This is an offer. Now we need to understand what our competitors are offering, and then we have to build a better offer for our audience. Now we have angles. In angles we can understand what our competitors are using, hook, what kind of landing page they are building, their headlines, their positioning, their status, their branding. Let's say if a person is in real estate business, so what is their branding? Are they just trying to sell some apartments, plots to their customer, or they actually want to help people? So let's say this is an offer. I help people generate build their I help people get their financial freedom using real estate. This is an offer. So what positioning your competitor are showing to your audience or their audience? So we need to understand the angle of business. If our competitor or my client competitor is building some opt-in page, if they are giving away some lead magnets, book to landing page, we need to understand their angle of their business. Now third we have channels. Now let's say if you're in any industry, automotive, we need to understand our competitor is where our competitors are getting traffic. Are they using SEO, affiliate, organic traffic, or are they working on organic content? They are making some memes, they are making some content, or are they running some ads on Meta, Google, TikTok, LinkedIn, or any platform? Then if we understand what channels is cheaper and where we can get high quality buyer, where we can get high quality leads. Always remember, $1 lead is not equal to $100 leads, and $20 purchase is not equal to $200. So we need to understand the audience and platform. We need to understand what platform, what traffic channel is best. Not every channel is best. Email, if you are providing services, I would say if you are running pads on social media and you are getting traffic from social media organics, then you can also add email. Email works very best if you are providing some services. And also you can build some landing page and you can give away your free book, and then you can get their email. In exchange of emails, you can give them some books, some checklist, or some any free resource, some guides. Then we have proof. We need to understand what case studies our competitors are showing, how big is our competitors, how much money they are making, what kind of audience they have, and we need to understand all that kind of stuff. If our competitor is working on their social media content, we need to understand the owners, the CEO, the decision maker. Are they making their own content like UGC, or they are, or what kind of content? Like if you see ClickUp Media company, ClickUp Media is company is working very good on contents. They have provide their resource to their employees, their teams. They are making some memes in a corporate environment, in their offices. Then also we need to understand testimonials, what kind of testimonials our competitor are using on their site, their website, their landing page. Then we need to understand their whole funnel. Funnel is very important, the entry point. The funnel don't start on website. The funnel start when first time our user, our prospects interact to our business. The funnel start from the first stage. So we need to understand our competitor entry point. Then we need to understand if our competitor is giving away any lead magnet. So this is a funnel. Let's say you have any business, you have a landing page, you run some ads, then you generate some traffic on your landing page, then you give away your audience free book, checklist, or anything. Then you do some follow up on emails. So let's say you're running ads and you're getting many traffic on your landing page. Then every day around 50 to 100 people give their information in exchange of the book, the guide, checklist you are giving away. So let's say you are getting 50 leads daily. These are not leads, these are just cold traffic who just want book or guide or checklist. Then you send them email flow. You can use any tool like MailChimp or Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign. Then you can send them video sale letters on your emails and some other useful templates or winning stuff. If you're in any industry, construction, insurance, or finance and business, in any industry, you can send them value so you can build your trust. You can send them testimonial, case studies, your recent clients, or any stuff. You can increase your conversion by doing this. So the funnels matter. Then you need to track your all data, your bookings, how many calls you book these days, your conversion rate, your CTR, all that kind of stuff. Then you need to also understand your competitors upsell and cross sell offer. So some people also if some people run some agency, they also sell their winning stuff, winning products, or even some books. If a person is architect, they also have upsell books offer, ebooks, or winning architect design, or they must have something to sell in cross or upsell, like any kind of guides book. I scale e-commerce business and we created some upsell and cross sell. When user enter the cart page, we give them bundles offer. This create average order value. So let's say we are selling some e-commerce products, and when user visit cart page, we offer them some bundles so we can get more revenue. Then when user add some bundles into their cart, when they try to check out, we offer them some other upsell, some related products. And also we sometimes offer them some cross sell, some different products. So let's say if a person is buying this duster, we show them these markers. If a person is trying to buy this board, we show them this related stuff. This is cross sell, upsell, something like that. So you must understand your competitors. Just find some 10 to 20 competitors and follow this process, what offers they are giving, what angle they are using, their brand position, landing page, headlines, status. Then you need to understand how they are getting traffic, what platform they are using, if they are using affiliates, if they have on board some influencer on their business. And then you need to understand what proof they are showing to their client, their user, case studies, UGC, testimonials. And then you need to understand their whole funnel. Then you need to create your own funnel better than them. Just find out what your competitor are doing best. Let's say one of your competitor offer is very good, and one of your competitor funnel is very good, one of your competitor traffic is very good. They are doing some very advanced level SEO and running some more than 50 100 ads on pay Meta and Google's, and also they have some influencer on board on them. So you need to track all this kind of stuff. And in the next video I'm gonna teach you how I design my client's funnel, I scale business from $9 million to $27 million in 4 months by using a funnel. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you how I created that funnel in 6 days, in just 6 days.